iPRSM. From design to audit to proactive management of change, iPRSM brings unprecedented accessibility, accuracy, and efficiency to pressure relief systems management. Welcome to a quick taste of iPRSM. To give you a quick taste of what iPRSM can do, we're going to design a pressure relief system for Joe's garage. In the garage at Joe's, if the air compressor fails to shut off, it can create overpressure in the vessel that it feeds. So the vessel needs a pressure relief valve. It's a simple example, but you'd use the same process with additional steps and details to design, audit, or manage a matrix of systems for any process facility. And because iPRSM is web-based, it's instantly at the fingertips of everyone on your team from anywhere in the world. We started by adding the equipment for the protected system, and here are the results: the compressor, the pressure relief valve, and the vessel. Let's take a look at the relief valve. We selected the relief valve device type from the equipment library, and we selected the smallest valve from the Ferris catalog. Note that iPRSM automatically obtained its parameters from the catalog. Any valve would do at this point. Once the system is complete, iPRSM will help us to adjust our selection. Next, we added the air compressor protected system and linked our equipment to the system. And here we see the results: the valve as relief equipment, the vessel as protected equipment, and the compressor as the overpressure source. Now we add a contingency scenario to our system, recalling that the purpose of this exercise is to ensure that the valve we selected is adequate to relieve overpressure in the vessel if the compressor overruns. We specify the overpressure type, the hazard type, and the flow type for our contingency scenario. We'll skip over the details of entering the parameters, and note that here are some of the formulas that iPRSM uses to ensure compliance with engineering and regulatory standards. Now we evaluate the scenario to determine the required relief area. Returning to the protected system, we check the system to ensure that the relief device is adequate for the calculated relief area. And in this case, iPRSM lets us know that the relief valve is inadequate for this system. We return to the equipment catalog, where iPRSM provides us with a list of recommended valves, adequate for the required area, from which we select a valve. Finally, we check the system again and see that the valve that iPRSM has recommended is adequate for the job. The system is OK, and we can sign off. And our task is complete. The air compressor system in Joe's garage is adequately protected against overpressure. And what would otherwise have been time-consuming calculations and decisions were handled by iPRSM in mere minutes. This was only a quick taste of what iPRSM can do. Alone among pressure safety management programs, iPRSM delivers a fully integrated solution that also manages equipment piping and fittings, compound streams, flash phase calculations, thermodynamic properties, distillation columns, equipment findings and deficiencies, system revision control, extensive printable reports, equipment libraries and worksheet revisions, a document library for uploading and storing documents, and diagrams related to systems and equipment, and the unique ability to produce impact analysis reports that identify protected systems that may not be compliant due to change codes or standards in minutes rather than months, and at a fraction of the traditional cost. From design to audit to proactive management of change, iPRSM brings unprecedented accessibility, accuracy, and efficiency to pressure relief systems management. Brought to you by Curtiss-Wright Flow Control and Ferris Engineering.